Hi everyone, in this video I would like to share my new trading station with you that I recently built for myself. So I have one question for you guys. So do I look like a pineapple? Because I recently got this haircut and I think that I look like a pineapple. If you think the same, just put a comment down below and I will make sure that I don't get my sides cut too short from next time. And coming to my trading station, so when I started trading on a Dell XPS 13-inch laptop. I bought that laptop for my personal use, but then I started trading. So what I did was I bought two external monitors and a USB-C docking station. I connected those two external monitors to that laptop using the docking station, and I used that setup for about 7 months. But I knew that in my head that I would need to upgrade eventually because I like to game sometimes as well. I game maybe a couple of hours every week. Secondly, I needed one more monitor, and thirdly is that that laptop was too slow to handle the multitasking because I edit quite a few videos as well. So if I used to edit videos, I was not able to trade. My DAS used to hang because Premiere Pro used to take all the resources of that laptop. So I upgraded to this new trading station. I bought all the components over the Black Friday sale, just before the Black Friday sale, like a week before. And the components were on sale, so I bought all the components and I assembled my own computer from scratch. So I used to do these kind of stuff back in my school days. So this was a good nostalgic moment for me, and it was a good experience plus a good throwback to my high school days. So let's see what I built. Hey guys, hope you like this intro. I will now share all the choices I made for my build. So earlier I just had those two Dell bottom monitors and I added this LG 34-inch ultra-wide 144Hz gaming monitor to my setup. I'm not a gamer by any chance, but I like to play a couple of hours every week, so this is a good 144Hz gaming monitors with G-Sync enabled that helps me play better. The bottom monitors are on the basic stand and the new ultra-wide is on the VESA mount clamped to my desk. This keyboard which I bought is the Razer Sinusachroma. The best thing is that I have color coded my long and short hotkeys, green and red respectively, as you can see in this clip. The mouse is the Logitech MX Master 2S. This is also coded so that the buttons on the sides can open 1 minute, 5 minutes and daily chats on DAS with the just use of a mouse button, and I don't have to click F1, F2, F3, which is nice and convenient when I'm trading live. In the middle of the monitors is just a fidget spinner just for fun and an Amazon Echo to control the lights of my room. The glasses are the Swanwick night glasses which blocks the blue light and helps me sleep after trading late at 2 AM at night or early in the morning, whatever you can say. This is the latest addition to my setup. Not like I needed it, but it was on big discount on Black Friday sale, so I just got it. The sound is amazing coming from this mic. Earlier I used to sound like, hey guys, welcome to my recap, but now it's a lot more natural. These Bose QC35s were gifted to me like a couple of years ago and I absolutely love them. I used to record my voice using the mic on these headphones up until my last video. This commentary is on the Rode mic, so you can go and check the difference. It's astonishing. I wasn't even expecting such a big improvement. Coming to the brain of the setup, I will put a few images that I took while building this computer. I don't think so, like most of you will be interested in knowing the specs, but I will just go through them quickly. The case I went for is the NZXT H510, which simply looks stunning in my opinion. I think so it's the most popular case on YouTube and I love it. The motherboard is the MSI X570 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi. I just bought a Wi-Fi motherboard as I don't have a LAN slot near my station, and instead of buying a Wi-Fi card going through the hassle, I just bought a Wi-Fi motherboard. The CPU is the latest Ryzen 7 3700X. It's the 8 cores and 16 thread CPU, so it blazes through my workflow. I can edit a video, I can edit 2 videos if I want to, I can trade on DAS and it won't slow down this computer. And to support that, I also bought 32 gigs of 3200 MHz RAM, which I can expand to 64 gigs in the future because I have only occupied the 2 RAM slots on my motherboard. The graphic card I bought is the 1660 Ti, which can handle most of the latest games at high ultra settings at 1080p. I will most likely add 2 to 4 TB or 7200 SATA hard drive soon. Currently I only have one SSD, that is 500 GB of NVMe silicon power. I went for this because the reviews were great on Amazon and the read-write speeds are on par with the more expensive Samsung Evos. And I also added some LEDs just to make it look better. Normally I just keep the LEDs white because it suits my setup and the case that I have. So lastly, coming to my DAS layout. On my DAS I have the 1 minute, 5 minutes and 15 minutes chart. This is all linked to this montage, and I have the time and sales. So I have 2 stocks per screen. I have 2 24-inch screens, so that is 4 stocks, and I have the same setup on my third ultra wide screen, that is 6 stocks, and I have extra real estate on the 34-inch ultra wide screen so that I can see my account status, my orders, my closed PNL and everything like that. So if you have any questions regarding this setup, put a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you like this video and my setup. If you guys can also share your trading station, it will be very nice for me because I'm a tech freak and I like watching trading station setups. See ya, have a good day.